Hello guys, welcome back to our another stream for XAU USD. Uh, I mean simulation session. We will not be doing a live streaming session, but yeah, let's get right into it. So I am expecting a quick buy from this zone, and in the live actually, because it is at the resistance and it closed above the resistance. I think this was a healthy pullback. Now if this closes a bullish, my trade might fruit, but if this closes bearish, I will have to close my position. All right, now let's get right back in the sim session. What are we gonna do is get some calendar dates. Okay, we'll be doing from 2020 to 2023. I think yeah, February is looking good. Oh my god, damn it! Yeah, I got stopped out here very quickly. Alright, my bad. Yeah, this looks like a sell now at this point. Flip bullish, boy, flip bullish. Nah, it's just gonna hit my TP and probably run from there. Yeah, just got stopped out on my real account. So yeah, let's continue our journey. We'll do a simulation. No, not the load. Naya simulation. We'll go to 2020 February 2. Okay, that sounds nice. 2 2 2 everything else seems yeah normal. Maybe you can give this like I don't know 700 days. We'll start the simulation. Today I'm having a very cool head, and I think I can actually succeed today. But let's see if my emotions comes into the play and probably messes up my whole trading plan and stuff like that, which is why I am simulating, because I don't want it to mess up my trading plan and maybe give us a bigger loss in my trading journey ahead. Okay, you're all to me, give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when you lose and win. 15 minute. We will just be looking at 15 minute for possible entry, but confirmed by the higher time frame. So damn, bro, this shit just messed me up. Such a bad D candle. There was a rejection from this area as well. I probably should have considered that in my trades, but I was so eager to get early in the trade. It actually took me out. Okay, let's look at the live above. Keep here like a simulation template, jam. Template simulation template simulation template. I need to figure out how to make the default template the simulation template, because I don't really use this brokerage except for the simulation. Alright. Yeah, this is looking good. The weekly is really bullish. We can see it, we can possibly see it reaching up to this fill this week as well. because of the bullish trend, and there is also no week at the top of this previous weekly. So yeah, maybe we should probably go to our New York session, and then we will. Okay, now we're at New York session. The New York session in the daily time frame, it seems to have pulled up to the support zone. Support some आइसकेको छ अनि सपोर्टमा आएपछि maybe it has the chance to still flip bullish. And the previous weekly was also bullish. This was the starting candle of the week, so let's not consider this as anything but nuisance, okay. And this is looking like a healthy pullback, probably to the support area, to grab more liquidity and continue moving up. This is also resistance at the 1594, so we might have to consider something. We might possibly also could sell this zone as well, but let's look at this in our higher time frames, our lower time frames. We'll be looking at this in the 4 hour, maybe something like this. Okay, let's why is there hourly before 4? Okay, anyways, in the 4 hour we can see there was a huge messy candle. Like this candle was really, it wicked from the up. It came from the up, started from the up, and then closed really bearish. And there was also formation of gap which it already filled, but we are currently at support as looking at from the 4 hour. So if this is a support and this candle closed bullish, what is the probability the next candle might follow the trend? I think it is pretty high, considering this being a support. So yeah, we might actually get to see another retest to this zone and maybe a possible entry to the buys. But if this does manage to break past this zone, I might also be looking for a sell. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, but from the 1 hour, we can see it has already rejected from this zone as well. So this is our high for the day, for this session. And if any candle manages to break above this, we can look for a sell, a buy. But if it comes back over here, maybe grabs more liquidity and then makes a wick, we might expect a sell. And that's it. The strategy is quite simple. We are just trading the support and resistance. There is nothing more and nothing less to it. So in the 30 minutes, this is our support structure. But since the candle is really bullish and this also looks like it got back up to pick some liquidity, so if this is a valid candle, this candle should continue its move down. That is how we make our biases. Even though the 4 hour looks bullish, since now it is also starting of the new 4 hour, so we should also keep that in mind. Well, it's looking good. I don't have anything else to do in this zone except look for a possible breakout above here or below here. But if this 30-minute candle did grab some liquidity from the top, we might as well enter a buy right now and maybe ride 1:1. I don't know what I'm saying, but I am having a hard time explaining what I'm saying. But oh yeah, look at this candle. Wow, damn bro, I think I can add another position here. Re-enter my trades over here because this looks really good. Damn, I was not hoping. Yeah, this 30 minute, uh, closed, gave us that another push. Took out some of the trades from this zone and maybe grab liquidity from this area. So if this 30 minute manages to close bullish, yeah, I might actually look for another possible entry in this area. Alright, that's being said, we will be we will be continuing our simulation. के भयो भन्दाखेरि हैन मंडे, yeah, this looks like a up move, but let's just see what happens. I have no idea and I have no possible ideas at this point, but I think this candle probably should follow the previous candle as well, or not, because it is the start of the new 4 hour candle. And see if we can get a possible entry, and we don't have to rush anything. I'm only planning to take two trades or even one trades. Oh yeah, so what is it, 13 bajo? So that means, why is it so fast? I thought it was just moving and now it's already 13. Damn, okay, I think I skipped the candle somehow. Okay, there is some support at this area, which probably does make sense because it is the high of the 4 hour candle, and if it does break this high, it will be flipping bearish, and the market does not want to see that yet. So yeah, this is also some kind of support over here. In the hourly time frame, I think I should clone this. Okay, why is it not updating? Yeah, okay, it came back to test the support. It's only been 5 minutes, but I think we can see a possible move to the this will be very small range to trade. Yeah, I don't see any reasonable entry at this point, because this is a very small zone to trade in, and if this even does give us the move or even the breakout will probably be nice, but I'm not seeing it. Yeah, broke below the support. The 4 hour is flipping bearish now. It closed bullish, maybe pick some liquidity in the hourly. Now it's bearish, which is counter trending actually. Let's see how it goes. I don't want to take any entry in these zones, because I have learned my lessons the hard way. $25, $26, $28, $29. Yeah, okay, it's 30. Damn, this first half hour of the 13 candle, it's bearish. Now it's like 1:2. I think this trade could be considered, but I want to see a pullback, up to these zones and maybe enter. It will be good actually. Little more, come back a little more, maybe a little more. Yeah, I think. Nah, still not looking good. It did came back to test the support, but this range is just so small that I might not even get 10 pips in this range. Maybe we can risk a little. I'll give you all to me. Wait, I'm receiving a message, so I'll have to look into it. I'll give you all to me, give my all to you. ल भयो होइन, अब के छ त भन्दाखेरि के देखिँदैछ, 5 मिनट मात्रै हुँदैछ यो क्यान्डलले. This candle could easily lie, but since I am looking for a sale at this point, an entry over here, I will just have to risk around, I don't know, 10 pips. Not even 10 pips, about 5 pips. I mean, if this candle had came all the way above here, this will have given me a further confirmation that this might actually be a sell, but it did not came up to here. It came up to this body. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take a sell slowly, solely on the basis that it already broke the previous support, and this also break the previous support area. And now if this is a valid move to the downside, this will probably give us the move up to the our daily support, daily, or you can say it's a 4-hour support. Yeah, it might actually pull back up to here. So let's see what happens. I'm just gonna risk about 50% because the range is very small and I don't want to risk more than that. The stop loss will be 10 pips, not even 10 pips, but since the spread is really high, I will have to put it as a 10 pips stop loss. Okay, and I'm gonna take a sell. I will expect this price to move up to here, so it will be 1:2 trade. Damn, what was the move? That was really unexpected. It just did that. I think I have to slow this. This is the new 4-hour. Yeah, the spread is really bad, Got back in the range. Okay, yeah, didn't work out, so nothing to worry about. I still have one more trades to go. I could have probably put my stop loss over here, but the trade will be 1:1 trade, and I don't want to take that. You need the RR of your trade must be higher, because even if you win 50% of the time, but your RR is like less than 1 or even somewhere around 1, it will not be profitable. You still have to get 1:2 or more in your trades to actually earn decent amount of money. So this trade could have also been looked from the opposite direction, because now this to me looks like a fake out. You will not realize it's a fake out unless it gets back in the range. Now this to me is looking like a fake out, and this candle has also tested the support. As you can see, this candle came back and tested the support. So if this is a fake out, what is the probability this will continue moving up further, which is very high? And I again want to take another trade based on the same concept, about 11 pips. I mean, the spread is still high, so I don't know what to do. I mean, the range is very small, so I should not be trading this, but yeah, let's do whatever. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when you lose and win, I'll give you all of me. Whoa. के गर्ने भन्दाखेरि न्युज आजकल न्युजै रहेछ नि त्यहाँ त कि रेड फोल्डर न्युज हो त ओ माई गॉड ब्रो दिस वाज अ भेरी ब्याड आइडिया इट सिम्स लाइक because news is right around the corner, and what do you do when there is news right around the corner? You hesitate, you do not enter. Wow, what was this spike about? I think, yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out at this point because I don't understand this. It was probably, yeah, it came back right up to here. So yeah, this does not look good at all. I should have probably closed my position. Yeah, this is shit. Yeah. Damn, but it did play out nice, I guess. I should have probably waited because I would have been able to catch this move. Okay, it's all good. Let's just see what the news does at this time, at this point. Risk it for the biscuit. Took 2 trades today. One was a sell, one was a buy. One was a sell, one was a buy. Did not work out. This happened during the 1434, I think. I'm gonna take notes of this because it will actually help me in the long run. I was expecting a pullback up to this zone, before it broke the low, but I thought this was a fake out, so I actually did not look at this move at all. So it is very valid for it to come back up to this area, grab more liquidity and continue moving down. Oh my god. News, ISM manufacturing PMI. Damn, it's gonna break this low. Wow, it will be a nice sale at this point. I have lost only 1% for the day. Oh, wow, look at the break. But since it broke below, this might be the liquidity for the news to push up.